The VOCM Cabin Party with Ryan O'Connell on the VOCM Big Land FM Radio Network.
Well, boys, would you believe it? I had another LED bulb blow last night here at the house. And it was the exact same thing again. It was another LED. It was another one. Right there. That top one. They had that little dark spot right there. And so that one popped. And both of these boards have the exact same date code. So both of these came from the same batch. And both of them had died within, I don't know, a couple days, 2 or 3 days of each other. But anyway, fun times. But this video is not about the LED bulb again. This time it is about, and not about him in the background. It's about this little radio I spent a few days putting together. Actually, I put it together in a day. I've just been playing around with it the last few days. I have a antenna coil there. I don't know. I got about, 100 or so turns maybe put on there. Got a ferret rod that just slides in and out.
Calendar. Good. What do you use calendars for?
Dumps it into the SA101. I use the, when I'm using these, I put her on the phono selector on that.
Like Sarah's birthday?
I've got to run in mono, so it balances all the way to the left.
A party?
Tone.
Start a person has choir?
Yeah.
September 17th?
Of course, she's in mono. But,
Let's see. Our calendars kept track of all.
there's one thing I'm trying to figure out here. When you hear like a kind of like a bubbly thing in the background on the audio, a little bit of distortion. If I touch this, touch the shield of the, it sounds perfectly clear.
Would you like your calendar as much?
I tried using capacitors and whatnot. Put it on the ground side of this, but it doesn't seem to help any. I don't know if anybody out there got any ideas.
I did not think I would like to see that calendar of my record of all of the things I've done wrong.
I'm kind of out of ideas. The circuit, I built one before, but using an old 120 volt primary 12 volt secondary transformer for an audio transformer. Just a tuning capacitor. I got the antenna going to the cap. That's the headphone jack. Got a cap across it. Circuit board down there. A couple transistors. There's a one AA battery. And a switch to inside, turn around and off. But this actually works pretty good.
Like an old calendar. He knows what they all are. Whatever period of time, it doesn't matter. He can do it all day long.
The tuning capacitor got a tiny, small, short shaft on it. So what I did in order to put a knob on it, I drilled out the center. I drilled the center of a knob and stuffed a screw in there. It worked. As the OCM, 590 kilohertz. See how it's touching? Sounds a lot better.
Your eyes will thank you. Your weather for St.John's Metro, the rest of that rock, Claremont, and Gate. Today, rain gives way to sunshine. Southwesterly winds 45, 24.
I think it's a grounding issue. Has to be.
Showers moving back in. Southwesterlies at 50 and a low of 16. Tomorrow, cloudy, sunny breaks. Westerlies at 40 or 50 and a high of 20. For Central, cloudy today.
And I'm still messing around with this one.
Showers moving in early tonight.
Still playing with that one.
And a low of 16. Tomorrow, cloudy, winds gradually drop to head to late. Temperatures falling to low double digits in the afternoon. For the south coast, clear at first, but then showers. Southerlies at 40 and a high of 22. Tonight, 15. Moving into Monday, cloudy, winds at 40.
Oh, hope it didn't hurt you much.